Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I have the jalapeno garlic cheeseburger. Now, I thought I shot me making the meat mix, but apparently I didn't. But it's real simple. You need about a pound of ground beef, and then you want to chop up and de-seed one jalapeno pepper, a small sweet onion chopped up, and then 2 cloves of garlic that are minced. Mix all that together. I know it's kind of an exception to my normal rule of not adding crap into the meat, into burger meat, but this was kind of an exception. So you want to take your 1 pound, you want to take your mix. Obviously, if you want to do more burgers, this recipe is easily doubled. And you want to form them into 1/3 pound patties. And then you want to press them out relatively thinly like I'm doing here. I'm just using 2 dinner plates as kind of a burger press, a couple of sheets of parchment paper, and yeah, there you go. All right, on to the next step. Oh, and make sure you season with salt and pepper, or my favorite all-purpose seasoning, which is equal parts pepper, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. All right, see you in a minute. Then on a griddle set to medium-high heat, you want to place these burger patties on and, of course, generously season the other side. Don't forget to give them a flip. Okie dokie. Now it's time to add the cheese. I decided to go with a Colby Jack cheese, but you can use whatever. If you want it a little spicier, you can always go with a habanero jack or a pepper jack. And then you just want to let the cheese melt, squirt a little water on the griddle to create some steam. And yeah, we'll be back for the next step. Okie dokie, let's assemble the burger. Got a nicely toasted bun there, patty on the bottom. Then we're going to be hitting it with some iceberg lettuce. Take the bottom bun, spread a little mayo. Finally, some A1 steak sauce. And that's that. Jalapeno garlic cheeseburger. Done.